In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team in ClickUp. By the end, you'll have a clean, organized team space that makes collaboration easier and keeps everyone aligned. Let's keep this simple and clear so you can follow along as you work. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your browser or the desktop app. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct workspace where you want this team to live. If you work across multiple workspaces, glance at the top of the interface to confirm you're in the right one before moving on. Next, look to the left side of your screen for the navigation panel. Find the section labeled Teams. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover or click to expand it so you can see the labels clearly. Clicking Teams takes you to the area where all of your existing teams appear and where new ones are created. Now click the plus icon to create a team. This button is usually near the team's heading or in the upper corner of the team's page. When you click it, ClickUp opens a setup window so you can define the basics of your new team. Here, enter the team name and a short description. Your name should be specific and recognizable. Think marketing, product design, or client success, North region. The description helps set expectations. In a sentence or two, explain what the team focuses on, what types of tasks belong here, or who the team supports. Clear naming and a helpful description make it easier for people to find the right team and understand its purpose at a glance. Once you're happy with the name and description, click Create Team. This confirms your choices and creates the space instantly. If you need to tweak anything, you can always edit the team name and description later, so don't worry about getting it absolutely perfect on the first try. After the team is created, you can add team members as well. Start by searching for colleagues who are already part of your workspace and add them to the team. Bringing people in right away ensures they have access to relevant tasks, views, and discussions from day one. If you're still finalizing your roster, you can skip this step for now and add members later from the same teams area. And that's it. You opened your ClickUp account, went to the Teams section on the left, clicked the plus icon, entered a name and description, created the team, and added your members. Save this process for future teams and you'll keep your workspace tidy, intuitive, and ready for seamless collaboration.